Come, sir. Anyone. Come. One here, one more.
That's hard work.
You make like this. This one is finish the forma from outside. After finish the forma like that, sir, you make like this. After finish the forma, finish the cover of the cotton by hammer out, and we have polish outside like that. After finish the polish, sandstone for make it good touch and more smooth. After finish, you put an injection oven, like this picture. You put outside about 5 minutes. It must be 270 degrees hot. And after, cover outside by little bit wax. Why wax? Wax produces a natural color out like that. That one, the finish from Alabaster handmade about 10-day work. Let's start like that. Okay? Look the group, please. Oops. Look after finish video. Handmade one about 10-day work, but that one is machine made 3 hours. This not Alabaster. But look the fake one. Touch. Look what happened in hand. It's very easy color come out. You see? I hope you understand me. Now you go to inside my work and I show you many cans from stone. Follow me, please.
Oh my God, he's driving.
Smells good.
Long time people. People living mountains. No light, no electric. That one belongs to Luxor candle. You put candle inside to let the light like that. This one from white alabaster and that one from brown alabaster. Like that. That one from green alabaster like that. This one alabaster for 3 colors. This one's a quality one. But you found this 3 fake ones like this. Hello, blah blah blah. Look. Never like with you fake one. This horse for protection. Green, blue stone is machine made, yellow. That one is called phosphor. Look here, I close the light now. Happy birthday to you, Sorry, take your time. One more time. Sorry, what is your name? Huh? Riyata.